The morning sun peeped through the curtains of the little community of Yellow Crescent, where the houses looked like they were wearing smiles. "Morning, Freda," called Mildred, skipping down the path with her bright orange backpack bouncing behind her. "Good morning." Freda laughed. "Today is Healthy Habits Day at school." "I can't wait," said Mildred, almost dancing with excitement. As they walked, they noticed cheerful posters tied to the trees. "Healthy habits help us grow strong. Read one. Let us see how many healthy habits we can practice today," said Freda. "Challenge accepted," giggled Mildred. Their first stop was the school bathroom, where Mrs. Willow stood by the sinks with a kindly smile. "Before breakfast, what is the first thing we do?" she asked. "We wash our hands," shouted the children. Mildred turned on the tap, added soap, and scrubbed carefully between her fingers, round and round the backs of her hands, and all around her nails. She counted slowly to 20 while the bubbles whirled like tiny moons. Freda rinsed and dried her hands with a clean towel. "Excellent," said Mrs. Willow. "Washing your hands helps wash away germs before they can make us ill." Soon it was breakfast time. Some children rushed toward sugary treats, but Mildred looked happily at her colorful plate: crunchy carrots, sweet strawberries, juicy oranges, creamy yogurt, and whole grain toast. "I want food that helps my body grow," she said. Freda filled her water bottle. "Water keeps our bodies happy too." Together they sang softly, "Healthy food gives us power, helping every single hour." After breakfast, it was time to brush their teeth. The children squeezed a little toothpaste onto their brushes and worked in tiny circles, up and down, front and back, even on their tongues, for 2 whole minutes. Their smiles shone so brightly that Mrs. Willow laughed. "I think I need sunglasses." Everyone giggled. Then came playground time. The children climbed, skipped, jumped rope, played tag, and danced to cheerful music that floated across the yard. "Exercise makes our heart strong," called Freda. "And it helps us feel full of energy," added Mildred, who was the quickest dancer by far. After all that running about, they took a water break. Glug, glug, glug. "Ah, refreshing," said Mildred, wiping her chin with delight. Later that afternoon, little Ben sneezed so suddenly that his pencil leapt off the desk. Achoo! He forgot to cover his mouth, and the class froze for a moment. Gently, Mildred showed him how to sneeze into his elbow. "That helps stop germs from spreading," she explained kindly. Ben nodded. "Thank you. I will remember next time." At the end of the day, the children helped tidy the classroom. Books went back on the shelves, crayons into their boxes, and paper into the recycling bin. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.